Guys, this is Soul with Lightning Tribe here, and today we are at Black Tiger Airsoft, and the game mode is Down Pilot. Pretty much in this game of Down Pilot, the Down Pilot has a security team, and the security team's job is to protect the pilot at all costs. Pretty much, you know how this is going to be. Two opposing forces are going to try to get the pilot at any given chance. So as this game goes on, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed it,
don't fire until they fire
subscribe, and share the video. Enjoy.
6, 7, whole fucking shitload of them are coming. I don't think so. Moving right, moving right.
They're coming behind us. They're coming behind us.
They're moving right over there, dude. Keep an eye on them.
They're coming behind us.
They see us.
They're coming behind us. There's an entire fucking squad behind us.
I got front as long as you get rear.
That guy off that tower.
Good kill, good kill. They're getting in range.
Yep.
Is that guy over there hit? Hey, are you hit over on the right side?
Yeah.
Give me cover.
Yep, watch out, you gotta come.
Coming to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Go.
Okay. Where we going?
Watch your back. Son of a bitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
That's probably larger. Is it at that?
Yeah, they're coming over there.
Yeah, I noticed. I heard that.
Fuck.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Go, 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 go. I got you covered. I'll move it over. Reloading. Over there on the right, left side of me. Hit!
Watch your head. One, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20.
We gotta get over to them now. Got you covered. Moving over to you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Hit!
At this point in the game, no bands have came up and tagged and gotten the Down Pilot. So with that, we were with the no bands. Still, we had to protect the pilot, because if the other team came and took him out, we would be with them instead to hold off at the extraction point. So as right now, we are moving to the extraction through the city and
You
onto
can
the
pull me back
bridge.
with you.
3, 4, 5, 6, my face, 7, my mask, 9, 10, someone grab that, 12, 13, 14,
Grab that, bud.
16, 17, 18,
Throw that back.
20, alright. Oh yeah!
Go, come on, go, go, go.
We got a riot shooting over there.
Stop side!
Watch right side, just in case. He's hit. Tango down, keep moving. Push it, push it.
Get up there! Go!
Get your skinny ass up there.
I don't know why you're having a hard time with these hills. No fucking way! No way! No way! I at least saw my ball. Okay. One more over there in the bucket. Right here. Oh, I don't know.
Watch right.
At this point in
You're
the game,
moving
we
far
made it to the
right.
extraction point. We have to hold the extraction for 7 minutes. That 7 minutes felt forever. Pretty much I was already halfway done with my ammo, and I had to pretty much use my buddy mags and my mini map.
Hey, I got a good question. Why is everybody bunched up in the middle? If they launch a grenade in here, you're all dead. Moving left. Reloading.
Right side. You need to split up. Do a couple on this side to cover this side. This side's all over.
Hey, behind the oak tree far near the fence line.
Got it. Come on, buddy. Hey, Tango moving left.
Hey, I think I'm out.
Did you get hit?
No. No, I'm just out of ammo.
Yo, buddy pack right here. Get a mag.
I already got one.
Oh, okay, shit, never mind.
That was the first mag I actually went through.
Go down.
Huh?
Reloading. Fuck, I'm out of magazines. Grab me one of my buddy mags.
There you go.
So who's gonna throw the first grenade?
That's always the question.
Because we're pretty much all in here.
Yeah, I've been shooting. Thank you. I know, I've been shooting. Oh.
How much time?
With only minutes left, most likely 2 to 3 minutes left, Vans had us surrounded. Not wanting to advance or push, we had the extraction point. There was no way they were going to get up on here unless they made a major big push. But they didn't. Within those minutes, we won the game.
Hit!
If you liked and enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share. Also, put comments down below to help us improve on our videos. Thank you much, and see you guys on the next one.